So here are millipedes again. You can see a nice large chocolate and cream banded millipede there. Some more little babies here. What I want to get you to be able to see is this little fellow here in the corner. He's a Burmese Beauty. Couldn't have a nice nosh on that piece of banana. And I think if I'm very careful, just move that leaf there. Can just make out a Bumblebee millipede. There we go. Beautiful black and yellow banded Bumblebee millipede. Burmese Beauty is bolted, disappeared down the side. As you can see, these chocolate and cream millipedes are very busy, very active, always running around, and they're great escape artists. So just have a look here, maybe in the corner you can see some little baby millipedes again. So that's just tonight's update. Hope you enjoyed watching, and see you again soon.